Okay, guys, this is the what you will see when you get the link. So the link that I give you, it will come up and it will look like this. It will prompt you to make an account, and you will see this little link up here if you don't already have one, and it will say copy base. And so you're going to click that, and it is going to make a copy for you that you can use yourself. So if at this point, if you aren't already on Airtable, it will help you set that up. And then you're just going to add it to my first workspace, and you'll just click add base, and then you will have your very own copy that you can modify and change and do whatever you want with. So I hope you found that helpful. I think 2020, 2021 is going to be a great year, and these tools will hopefully just make it a little easier for you. All right, thanks a lot.